Hi, Allie. Hi, Cece. There's Chevy's tracks. Ooh, where's Chevy? Look at all the snow. Here's Papa. Hi. Hi, Allie. Hi. Hi, Cece. Where's Chevy? Let's find him. There he is. Chevy's out in the snow. There he goes. Yay. Remember yesterday we sent a video and it was no snow? But look at all the snow, huh? We can see Chevy tracks. Look, where'd he go? Where's that Chevy? Let's see if we can find him. Where'd that Chevy go? Uh-oh, there's his tracks. Where could he be? Where's Chevy? Where is he? Where'd he go? Whoa, there's his tracks. We gotta find him. Allie? Cece? Are we? There he is. There's Chevy. Chevy, hi. Say hi to everybody. Well, it's a little bit snowy here, huh? Look at all the snow. Huh? Is that pretty? Look, there's Madeline's house. It's all snowy. Wow. A lot snowier than it was yesterday with no snow. It snowed last night and it's snowing now. Snowing a whole bunch. Yeah. Well, we love you guys. We just thought we'd send you a little video of all the snow. Let's take a look. We'll just take a look out here. Lada's house is down there, Allie. Way down there. Yeah. Lots of snow. Grammy went to work today. It wasn't snowing, so that's good. But after Papa got done with the gym, it's snowing like crazy. Yeah. We'll take a look at the house. Took up Papa and Grammy's house. Look, there's Church Street. Remember you walked down Church Street? Yay. And Cece's gonna be walking down there. Look, there's the house. Yeah, look. Lots of snow. Lots of snow. Yeah, lots of it. And there's Madeline's house again. Yay. Well, you guys have a great weekend. We love ya. And I'm sure we'll talk. See ya. Bye.